Hi guys, quick update lang tayo dito sa application na ginagamit natin. Meron tayo ditong position. Ayan, running yan. I-relate din natin ito sa bagong features, no, which is itong orbit. Dahil we get some ideas dito. Like for example, yung Sahara. So punta lang tayo dito sa my messages. Ayan, so dito meron tayong pinaka-community group. So, meron tayong insights. Ayan. For example, this one, Sahara. So, this is on the exclusive group, no? So, once na ma-view natin yan, andito yung pinaka-insights, ideas. So, it's good for cross-validation if you have insights, ideas dito. So, andyan na siya. Makikita natin yung pinaka-details, economic calendar, and other insights pa dito, guys, no? So, pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa video natin today. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel, guys, no? So, marami sa atin merong nagtatanong kung ano nga ba yung other source of fundamental updates news. For me, this one is one of the alternative in my own opinion. Again, guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference. It doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights dito, and kung meron kayong mga questions ay let me know lang sa comment section, and gagawin natin yan ng videos dito sa ating YouTube channel, no? So ginagawa natin yan ng content. Ayan, so may insights nga dito na MACD indicator flatten histogram is near neutral. We can observe dito ng details, price is now moving sideways with higher lows, and this may suggest momentum is slowly building after a downtrend, no? Confluences like super trend and MACD, major support, resistance 0.03, 0.0262, 0.03, no? They mentioned dito na strong break above resistance could confirm continued upside momentum. So let's check, let's go back. Ayan. So aside from that, guys, dito sa may itong orbit, so we can discover other details pa dito, yung mga top traders. Makikita natin yung pinaka PNL as we observe dito, no? So kung pupuntahan natin yung pinaka-presyo ni Sahara, ayan, so we can check. So meron tayo ditong super trend, no? And makikita natin we have super trend, and then let's check yung chart. So makikita natin dito yung pinaka-chart niya, no? So yung resistance dito, if I'm not mistaken, sa 4 hours time frame or daily, we can observe some resistance within this zone, no? Around 0.025, and meron din tayo ditong EMA 50. So nagkaroon siya ng confirmations. So other fundamental updates, insights, I just cross-validate lang dito, and if I observe na there's a probability na magkakaroon ng pag-akyat ng presyo based sa chart, based sa insights and updates doon sa mga nabasa natin, I just cross-validate and think if it's worth it to contest, no? So for me, I do have some confluences dito. So ito yung pinaka-details ni Sahara right now. Ayan. So na-share yan doon. Ayan. So exclusive yung pinaka-group na yon, but you can join if you're interested. Lalay ko na lang yung pinaka-official link sa description ng video na ito. And then you can also explore dito ng mga available na campaigns, no? Like for example, this one merong pinaka-bonus prize that you can win free USDT. So, andito lang sa nag-slide na campaign dito. Ayan. So, once na mapuntahan mo yung app, is that pwede kang sumali dito, no? So, like for example, this one, you can just join dito. I recently joined na dito. So, meron siyang pinaka-period kung hanggang kailan tong campaign na to, no? So, yun lang, guys, a quick update lang dito. You can explore itong for me, it's very useful, educational, itong orbit na features na ito. Alternative ito if I want to get some insights, recent news, and updated fundamental catalyst, and kung ano nga ba yung sentiment ng mga traders dito, no? So, yun lang for today, guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.